Welcome guys, again this is Duke the interior designer with another hot topic on using GDL scripting. Today I want us to talk about providing options to the users. For example, you may have done a desk with a drawer, but not everyone wants a desk with a drawer. How do you make sure that any user can be able to put on or off that drawer so that it's easy for them to manage whatever they're doing? Like, for example, they may be doing a conference table made of those tables. They'll have to remove the drawers. So how do you do and make that possible? Sit down, wait, and listen as we go through this. Thank you. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to go to the coding for this desk and open mine. Remember, we did the coding at the 3D scripting page, and therefore we need to know one thing: what GoSub or subroutine defines our drawers. It's 400. And the moment you want to make something optional, you need to introduce what we call conditional statements. Conditional statements start with if, and then you put a parameter or a variable, and then the keyword then, and then the statements that follow, and then you finish with and if. And if you have so many items, you can even have else in between. But because for us it's just one item, which is the desk drawers, we'll just deal with one and if. Therefore, you need first of all to introduce a parameter under the parameters. Let's make it here. That should be under the options. So come here and introduce a parameter called drawer on off. And this one should be a Boolean. Boolean is a case where you choose between a state of on or off. 1 is on, 0 is off. So click on that. You can now state here drawer on stroke off with a question mark. Let's put it on. Let's go to our coding 3D. Well, we have the GoSub 400 for desk drawers. Introduce the conditional statement and say if, come and copy here, drawer on off is equals to 1. Remember we said 1 is a state of being on. Then you should show GoSub 400 and then end if to finish that statement. Now, if you save this, go to the ground floor, go to 3D, go to the settings of the desk, and check on this option, drawer on off. Click on off. You see, go to the same desk, click all parameters on. Let me demonstrate again. Click on. You can see. So that's how you make things optional for our users. And you can do a lot of these things. You may even decide to have no grommets, no modesty panel, So you can provide a lot of options. The only thing I've realized here that has not been done when you come to parameters, this item is not attached to the options, so double click here, sorry, so that when you go to the ground floor or the 3D, let's check the 3D for this, click on this and come to all parameters. You see now options, we have the 2, so click on that and there you go. Thanks guys, I'm enjoying this. Keep subscribing. The next project that we are doing, I want us to do a full wardrobe from start to finish, and then I'll finish with a ceiling based on the same scripting, and hope you'll get the time to be with me as we do this. Thank you.